Hi, welcome to the podcast Ease into Clarity. I'm Dr. Divi, family doctor turned intuitive coach, and I'm here to help you. In this podcast, we will learn mental techniques, emotional techniques, and spiritual techniques to change daily problems. So maybe it's your husband, your boss, your coworker, your kids, they're driving you crazy. You can email me any of your questions and I will use all the techniques I've learned over the years and help you. Grab your hot chocolate and make sure to subscribe. We'll see you soon. Ciao. Hello, and welcome back to the podcast, Ease into Clarity. And this is Dr. Divi, your host. And thank you for being here. In today's podcast, we're going to talk about momentum. We're going to talk about something called general thoughts and specific thoughts. I created a really great, fabulous little series called Energy 101. And I'll make sure it's on my website by the time you hear this. It's like $10, but it's a great 4-part series that teaches you all about energy. We've all heard that we have 40 to 60,000 thoughts a day. Man, that's a lot of thoughts. And each of those thoughts go out into the universe and create momentum. And thought 1 becomes thought 2, becomes thought 3, becomes thought 4. I'm blessed to be alive. The world has my back. The universe provides. I am gifted and given to. See how momentum is beautiful and it's going up? I can also go down. Oh, the world's a horrible place. Oh, I've got cold coffee. Oh, I've got run in my nylons. Oh, I'm late for work. Oh, my boss hates me. And we create our reality based on those thoughts and the energy. The thing is, thought 1 brings in thought 2, brings in thought 3, brings in thought 4. And that's why I always try to teach the most important time to set your momentum is first thing in the morning. So you wake up out of bed, and there's a gap between when your eyes are closed and you're like in that, oh, I think I'm awake kind of phase. Oh, and you have that first thought. Now that gap is the most important gap you'll ever have in your life. And you get to choose that thought. And that thought you choose and the next bunch of thoughts for the next couple hours are going to direct essentially your whole day, unless you actually practice shifting momentum, which I'll get into. But, so that's why most mornings what I try to do is I try not to turn the news on, try not to turn what's horrible on CNN on. I sit, I study maybe A Course in Miracles, I read, I meditate, I might journal, I'll even go for a workout, I'll exercise. That's my morning routine. Lasts 1, 2, 3 hours. Why do I do that? Because it sets my day out feeling good, feeling strong, feeling more joyful, feeling more open-hearted, feeling more possibility. And yeah, cool. But what does that create? More of that. I can also start the other way. I can throw on CNN. I can read the newspaper. I think newspapers still exist. I can scroll social media. I can go that way. The beautiful thing about the universe is it doesn't judge. You're going to go this way or that way. Doesn't matter. But one feels better and one feels worse. Now the key is, let's just say something happened and you're going downward momentum. What you want to start doing when you start to go down and you're not feeling so good, there's something called general thought versus specific thought. And I'll use myself as an example. A general thought is I'm a 5'6" woman with a few gray hair here and a few black hair. A specific thought is the number of gray hair, the number of dark hair, the number of eyelashes,